Hello, it's Jeanette from Ellis Winters, Chatteris. I'm outside this gorgeous property on Wood Street, which is only 5 minutes from town. Not only does it have 5 good-sized bedrooms, ample living space, but it has a fabulous swimming pool in the back garden. Come on, let's have a look.
Can you hear me calling out your name? You know that I'm falling and I don't know what to say. I'll speak a little louder, I'll even shout. You know that I'm proud and I can't get the words out. I wanna be with you everywhere.
As you can see, this property is just a 5-minute walk from town, where there are various facilities such as doctors and dentists, shopping, primary and secondary schools.
Make a start. You better make it soon before you break my heart. I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere.
To book a viewing on this gorgeous property, call our Chatteris office on 01354 694900, where a member of our experienced team will be able to assist. Thank you.